Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I will teach you how to play an open chord D major 7. Very beautiful open chord D major 7. So let's get started. So this is the sound of D major 7. To play this chord, you're going to be barring across strings 1, 2, and 3 on the 2nd fret. You can bar that with your first finger and then strum strings 4 on down to 1, the bottom 4 strings. I find it easier to use finger number 2 to bar across the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret. You can actually rest your ring finger on top of that to add a little pressure to that, but you want to strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D major 7, separate from D7. It's where you're placing finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. D major 7 is barring across strings 1, 2, 3 for the 2nd fret, and then playing the bottom 4 strings. Okay, again, this is D major 7. To play D major 7, you place finger number 2 across strings 1, 2, and 3 of the 2nd fret. Just bar those strings together, and you just want to press those down just enough to get sound from each string, and then strum the string up above it, which is the D string. And this is how you play D major 7. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscriptions as well. Check out my playlist on my channel to learn how to play other open chords. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers. Have a great day. God bless you.